Hello everyone, welcome to Lynx. In today's tutorial I will take you to the full logo process to start to finish. Okay, let's get started. Step 01. Collect enough information to design logo. I have an order from Drunk Rabbit to design their logo. So, I send them to little PDF file and send back to me. After collecting everything to design a logo, I'll begin to sketch. I will put the link in description to download PDF. Step 02. Begin to drawing a logo. These are some of the logos I draw. This is the one I chose for the logo. Step 03. Illustration. First, we need to add guidelines. Then we select the pen tool and trying to draw around the shape. Okay, we finish adding guidelines, let's draw. After drawing your logo, let's begin to add colors. I put some link under the description, you can find the color plates. Step 04. Presentation. So what do you think? Do you learn something? Please let me know. Do you have any question? Please ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching.